Hello, my friends. Today I want to make a car from the paper. To this car I need to cut semicircle. How to make semicircle? First of all, I took a plate and put it upside down on the green paper. I decided my car will be green. And I trace around this plate. It will be a circle. I cut it out. This is circle. And now I need to fold it in half, like this, and cut in half. This. These are two semicircles, but I need just one. Another one I put aside, next time we will use it. Now I need to glue this semicircle to white paper. I use glue stick. This one like this. And glue it on the white paper. Like this. This will be body of a car. Now, I need to make wheels. I cut two black, big black circles and two smaller yellow circles. I glue these yellow circles on black circles. Will be in the middle of the wheel. Like this. And now I need to glue these wheels, these circles to car. Will be wheels. So I use again my glue stick. And glue these wheels to car. You see, this will be car. And I want to make windows to my car. I cut two squares. They will be windows. I glue them to the car. Like this. You see? This will be a car. We can draw door, probably, rectangle, like this. Will be a door. So, this is a car. And I have a rhyme about cars, do you know? One little car driving to the zoo. Met another car, then there will be 1, 2. Two little cars driving by the sea. One drove up from the beach, then there were 1, 2, 3. 3 little cars driving by the store. Another pulled out, and then there were 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little cars out for a drive. Another car joined them. Then there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cars. Okay, bye bye guys. Bye bye.